Hi, my name is Ryan DeAngelis at the Guarantee RV Travel Trailer and Van Center. I'm going to show you today one of my favorite rear lounges that we carry here. It's a Coachmen Freedom Express. It's a 2021 279 RLDS. It weighs about 6,200 pounds. It has a full front cap. The Freedom Expresses all use Asdel on the walls with their aluminum frame, so it's a man-made material that it's impossible to have delamination on the sidewalls with, and it weighs a lot less, so that's why for a bigger unit like this, it doesn't weigh a whole bunch, even though you still have thermal pane windows and a lot of other nice stuff on the inside too. Follow me, I'll show you. As you walk in, you have the theater seating in the rear with the large picture window in the back. It has the Thomas Paine recliners with heated seats, light-up cup holders. You have a lot of storage in this back area too. There's two big, huge compartments on each side of the recliners, and you also have a lot of overhead storage there as well. In the seating area, you have a U-shaped dinette here that breaks down to an extra bed. It's a very big bed as well, and you have two huge drawers that slide out with a ton of storage. There's also this other storage compartment right next to the dinette that is very, very wide, tall, and deep. Over on the other side in your entertainment here, it has a 40-inch TV that pulls out and swivels, so you can tilt it to the entertainment seating if you want, or to the U-shaped dinette. Electric fireplace as well, with all LED lights. You have an 8 cubic foot fridge, so it's a little bit bigger of a fridge. This unit here was upgraded with a bigger AC as well, so it has a 15,000 BTU air conditioner. You have a solar panel as well, mounted up on the roof. And this actually has 4 independent stabilizer jacks on the outside too, so you can set each jack down as you want. In the kitchen area here, you have your, it's in an L shape, so you got a little bit of counter space that you steal in this back corner. You have nice countertops, thick solid surface Corian-like countertops with stainless steel sinks. In the bedroom area, you have a walk-around queen bed with the front window. There is storage underneath the bed, and there is also plugs and USB ports on each side of the bed. In the bathroom here, you actually have a really big shower compared to a lot of travel trailers. It's not the rounded glass one, it's a nice big square, bigger shower, and a porcelain toilet bowl as well. Alright, there's a whole bunch of other stuff I'd like to show you on this unit. Give me a call. My number is 541-525-4001. My name is Ryan DeAngelis from the Guarantee RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. Talk to you later.